Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Numbers protocol primarily tracks and verifies digital content that is registered within its ecosystem. This means that they can only track and verify content that has been stored and registered through their protocol. The native token of Numbers protocol is NUM, NUM, and it is used for various functions within the ecosystem, including securing the network, facilitating transactions, and also enabling participation in governance decision. From a Sharia perspective, if somebody was to use the services and the token in a halal manner, then there's no issues with it. Similarly, if you want to trade the token itself, there is nothing wrong from a Sharia perspective. So that's it for me for today. See you next time, inshallah.